How to install Copilot Microsoft. If you want to install Microsoft Copilot, now normally Copilot is a Microsoft based AI which comes pre-installed now with your Windows. So if you go to your search bar and also search for Copilot, you should be able to find the Copilot application right here. Now let's say it is not installed in yours. How do you install it? Now you can also go to your browser and go to copilot.microsoft.com, and here you can see this option called try the app. It says chat anytime anywhere. You can just try this application on your phone as well, or you can go to your browser and type in Copilot download for Windows, and once you've done that you'll find different links that are available. You can see apps.microsoft.com. You can open up the first link. It will open up in your Microsoft Store, where you'll be able to click on the view in store option or the download option, and you'll be able to download the Microsoft Copilot app again on your computer if you just in case happen to miss it out. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.